Something to celebrate.
Kambi maloso kongo Kenya Breweries ochiwo sir ne tuke mag rugby mag Dala Sevens mabiro timore dwe manyien e alap mar Jomo Kenyatta International Stadium Mamboleo mani Kisumu. Kambi no nochiwo sir mar siling milion 2 ne tukego mabende oseyangore ni thoro ga bedo maliet mokalo. Maendi dhi bedo tielo mokwongo mar National Sevens Circuit. Higa mokalo bende Tusker ema nosiro tukego.
We are excited for this partnership, to support the growth of and development of rugby in Kenya. Dala Sevens specifically is an important tournament for us. It is one of those places that you go and you feel you're really at home, the enthusiasts, people who really support the sport.
Thank you very much. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Kenya Breweries Limited through their brand of Tusker on behalf of the entire Kisumu RFC Executive Committee for this exciting partnership that we are now taking for the second year running. It goes a long way to give the fans the ultimate rugby experience that we expect from Dala Sevens.
Kwa kanyo ni team mar Kenya